for putting the logo. Okay, I need to find the center of the space. And it's 22 inches across, so what would half of that be? 11, very good. So at 11 inches, I'm going to put my thumb. Okay, that's the center. So I put my thumb there, and then I'm going to put a piece of this green tape right there. Okay, so now I know that that's the center, and this I already marked as the center back in the studio. So now I can line up the green tape with the yellow tape, and I already measured this out back in the studio, so I know that this fits here perfectly. Alright, but now how do we get the vinyl to stick to the surface when we have all of this paper in between here and there? Right? Well, I will show you. First thing we got to do is remove the paper backing. You know what, we can move that, because we have the tape, I can remove that pretty easily. The paper backing we don't need right now. Now let's go back and measure up the yellow with top here. Centered. It's sticky, but not too sticky. We go straight down with it, like that. Alright, and we stick the sticky transfer tape like that. Now we still have to remove this white stuff here that's keeping this vinyl from attaching. So we do it a little bit at a time. Okay, and we pull back the sticky tape and we get rid of the extra paper, backing paper. We don't need this anymore. We're already centered. Right, and we very carefully with our squeegee, so we don't get bubbles, we push the plastic back up. So we did the top part, now we got to do the bottom. We lift it up, and see how the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape? And we pull this, slide this out. We don't need that anymore. And we very carefully smooth down the sheepy and the bunny so we don't get bubbles. Okay, and then the last piece, you gotta do it in little bits and pieces so you don't get wrinkles or bubbles or things moving. So now I can pull off this plastic transfer tape. Now this is a dry application process that I did for the logo, and I did a dry application process because the pieces of the logo are very small. There's lots of little white little shapes, see, like that, and if this was wet it would slide around too much. So I did a dry application process for the logo, but we are going to now do a wet application process for the web address that goes on the side of the truck as well. Ta-da! And now it's on.